The app that we're going to be talking about today is Receipt Hog. Receipt Hog pays you for taking pictures of your receipts. They have this cute little pig here. He's happy now, but if you go too long without submitting receipts, he'll get really scrawny and sad. The amount you earn depends on the total price of your receipt. So if we go to settings and which receipts count, it gives you an idea here of the amount of coins that you can expect for your receipt totals, and it also tells you the types of stores that will give you coins for your receipts, virtual coins. So there's also a fun spin game feature that will give you a chance to win some cash prizes. And these are the types of stores that will reward you with slot spins. And I believe we actually have a couple of slot spins available, so let's give it a try. So we didn't win that time, but you'll see the prizes going across here, and they'll give you an idea of what you can win if you get 3 in a row of certain things. So as far as redemption goes, you can go to rewards and then redeem prizes, and you can redeem your coins for Amazon, Visa, or PayPal. And 1,000 coins equals $5, so it doesn't take too long to be able to cash out. I have 775 coins right now, so I'm almost ready to cash out. So overall, I think Receipt Hog is a really fun app with some neat features, and I know you'll really enjoy it.